In this video, I want to show you how to create YouTube account. To create YouTube account, it's very simple and very basic. The first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you download YouTube to your phone. So once you have YouTube downloaded on your device, the next thing you want to do, you want to log into YouTube. You want to open up the YouTube app. So let's open it up. This is it over here. So tap on it. So once you tap on the YouTube app, it will bring you to this page just like this. So what do you want to do next here? If you check the bottom right corner, you are going to see a rounded shape over there. That is your profile. So I want you to tap on that rounded shape. So once you tap on it, it will take you to this page. On this page, if you look closely, you're going to see sign in. I want you to tap on that sign in. So once you tap on the sign in, note before you continue, YouTube uses Google accounts. So for you to be able to watch videos on YouTube, for you to be able to use YouTube to do anything you want to do, you have to have you need to have a Gmail account. So once you have a Gmail account, it is very simple to have a YouTube account because YouTube runs on Google. So this is what you do. Once you have a Gmail account, so you come here, you want to tap on add account. So once you tap on add account, it will ask you, do you want to continue to google.com? Tap on yes. So once you tap on yes, it will load up this page for you. So once it loads up, you want to put in your Gmail account inside this box. So let's put in my Gmail account here. So so once you put in your Gmail account, you want to tap on next. So once you tap on next, it will ask you to put in your password for the Gmail. Then you want to put in your password. So once you put in your password, to ask you to confirm. So once you confirm, it will log you in successfully. So guys, this is how you can actually create a Gmail. So let's go and watch. Let's go here. As you can see now, we have successfully created a YouTube account. So henceforth, we can watch videos, we can do anything we want to do, we can do as we want on YouTube. So guys, this is how you can actually create a YouTube account. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.